Hello dear students, welcome to the online class of Christoti Convent Senior Secondary School Bagpat. I am your teacher Abhishek Mittal and today I am going to teach you the summary of Act First, Scene First of the play The Tempest. In the last video I have taught you about all the important characters in the play and now we are going to start with the summary of Scene First of Act First. So let us quickly jump on to the topic. The scene's location is a ship facing a severe sea storm and is in danger of destruction. So as soon as the play starts, you will see something like this. Okay, there is a sea and there is a ship in front of an island. Okay, this way you will be able to see. This is the opening scene. The ship carries important personages including Alonso, the King of Naples, Antonio and Sebastian. So there are many important personalities on the ship, namely King Alonso, King Antonio and Sebastian. There is thunder and lightning. The crew has started rescue operation. So it was a storm, that ship was facing a storm, there was thunder, there lightning, and the boatswain, the captain and other sailors, they have started to rescue the ship, okay, from getting destroyed. The captain of the ship asks the boatswain to fight the storm boldly. As they were talking and ordering the sailors, the royal passengers in the ship grow panicky and rush towards the deck. So captain and boatswain, both of them were trying their best to save the ship and the royal passengers from being drowned. Okay, so in between when they were talking and they were ordering the sailors, when they were planning what to do and what not to do, suddenly the royal passengers from the deck, okay, from below the ship, they came on top of the ship and started a conversation with boatswain and captain. Alonso, the King of Naples, talks to the boatswain, but he is hardly respectful towards the king in such troubled circumstances. So Antonio breaks the conversation with boatswain, but boatswain in this particular situation, he is not very much conscious that he is talking to the Duke of Milan. Okay, generally otherwise if Antonio would have come there, the boatswain would have shown so much of courtesy and respect, but now he has not shown any of those because they are in a very troubled circumstances, troubled situation. He has no time to show that courtesy. He asks the meddlesome passengers to go back to their cabins and let the sailors to do their duty. Instead of showing courtesy, very rudely, he asks them to go inside their cabins once again. Sebastian and Antonio, the two courtiers, curse the sailors for trying to save the ship. And then Sebastian and Antonio, they become very angry, very frustrated on boatswain and started cursing him. Though Gonzalo, the old courtier, is fearful of sinking, he makes the light of the situation by saying that the boatswain is not likely to be drowned because he is destined to be hanged. So Gonzalo, the noble courtier, he tried to make the situation little light. So what he said that this boatswain, this particular person, will not die of drowning. He will die on land by hanging. So because of his fate, his destiny, we all will be saved. Okay. Since he is not to be drowned and with him aboard the ship cannot sink. So Gonzalo says that since he will not drown because of his destiny, so ship will also not sink. Okay, if ship will sink, he will also sink. So that is not going to happen according to his destiny. But this remark does not appeal to anyone. So nobody did care what Gonzalo was saying. In order to save themselves, the passengers begin to desert the ship for open waves of the sea. So seeing the situation becoming critical, the ship was about to get wrecked. So passengers started to jump from the ship, okay, in the open waves of the sea. And this was actually the plan of Prospero. He wanted them to jump from the ship and come onto the island. Gonzalo's words at the end of the scene, "The wills above be done, I would fain die a dry death," reflect little hope for their survival. So Gonzalo makes a comment in the at the end of the scene, "The wills above be done, I would fain die a dry death." It means that there was very feeble, meager chances of their survival. Okay, means Gonzalo also has given all hope of survival. Gonzalo's speech at the end of the scene shows that the ship will sink and all the passengers on board will perish. So in Act First, Scene First, at the end, we might perhaps will see that the sink might get sink. Okay, it, whether it will sink or whether it will not sink, that we'll see in later scenes. But if somebody is reading the this particular scene for the first time, perhaps he would feel that they all will die due to the sinking of the ship due to that storm. Okay, I hope you have understood. If there is any doubt, you can ask in the live class. Thank you and have a nice day.